Hey, let me show you all touch control functions that you can use with the Sony WF-C710N. So we can actually find them just right here, and what you can do with this one. So basically, when you got the ambient sound control / quick access, you can single tap to turn on and off the noise cancellation and ambient sound. For continue pressing, you will wake the quick attention, and when you tap 4 times, you will lower the volume. But when you go for the playback control, you can single tap to play and pause, double tap to turn next song, triple tap to turn previous song, long press to launch the voice assistant function, and here you can lower the volume. But also there's additional features, but we have to go back for the quick access. There we go. So for the quick access, we got double tap to play Amazon Music or Spotify tap, and it's actually the same for the triple tap. And that's basically it. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.